See, this is a step down transformer. You can see the input is 240 volt AC and output is 12 AC. This type of transformer are used in various form in industries, but in laboratory we use this transformer for doing half-wave rectifier and full-wave rectifier. In basic electrical and electronics instrumentation lab and also engineering practice lab, if we are using this transformer as it is, first it is not safety, second it will be damaged soon. This type of transformer is fixed in the plywood like this. But you can see this is also damaged quickly. So we want to purchase every year 10 to 15 transformers for the laboratory. This may cost around 4,000 rupees. So I made an idea to fix this transformer inside a box. That is, you can see 6x4 box. This is electrical box, and it is fixed using some screws and leg bush. The holes in the PVC box are done using soldering iron, and you can see simply a stand like is made by using the screw and nut, and the screw holds the transformer. You can see this transformer is tightened by this screw, and the input we are using 1 square mm wire and is plugged here, and for the output you can see the output. See the terminal 12 output, that is also AC, and 3 terminals are fixed here, so that we can use this transformer for the half-wave rectifier during the experiment for half-wave rectifier and also full-wave rectifier. The main idea of doing this type of transformer as kit type is to save money, but not only for saving money but also for the safety of the students. Thank you.